My bitch too foreign in the visa. I don't need her. Pull a drop top with a eater. Two-seaters. New bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. My bitch too foreign in the visa. I don't need her. Pull a drop top with a eater. Two-seaters. New bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. Money way. Diamonds, flexing. I woke up rich, spin the grip on the necklace. I put the plug on three-way. Maserati, go speed race. Drop a baby on a bitch face. More ice flexing this way. We put the world on the wave. Don't give a fuck cause I'm paid. More act in a lemonade. Pharmacy knowing my name. I bet that because she bougie. She shot my dick in a movie. Pep jumping like 2-3. She a foreign little free. My bitch too foreign in the piece. Foreigner. I don't need her. Full of drop top with a eater. Foreigner. Two-seaters. New bitch wanna fuck in my AP. Foreigner. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. My bitch too foreign in the piece.
Foreigner. And she love to fuck. She suck it up. Make her fall in love. Put that on her tongue. Perky on her tongue. She do them walks for us. Make her one of us. They guess I'm smoking, floating. Face on my neck, snowing. I'm dark skin, glowing. On the perky, I'm rolling. Valet, parking. I'm screaming, I'm barking. They like Poppy, why you starting? Pop a perk, go retarded. They know I'm wildin', I need that respect. 700 grams, extra baguettes. Pop smoke, niggas know I'm next. Fly keep on shooting until it's the left. I'm 823, I throw up the set. 20 years old, but I move like a fat. You talk like your mom, you better invest in the best. Nigga, cause you could get left. You bitch to the foreign, huh? I fucking past the show a difference between a dog and a master. Lamborghini truck flooring. Got your bitch in the back, boring. She like, Poppy, I adore you. I'm like, baby, I ain't normal.
Records attack, they probably don't make it back. I don't think they have the crib.
don't want no credit. If it was me, I wouldn't regret it. Never been dead, now they won't get it. Yeah. All this still beating, my niggas still eating. Drink all the young, let it go and they eat it. Hello, talk better, spilling the tea. This shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had, they didn't last that bad. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where these niggas be at when they say they going out this night?
Hey, whoa, hey, yo. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one virtual, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in that day, the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted to stop home, it's me, the house, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, Weezy and handed it up, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers, hey. Yeah, but I guess they must have their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for Nadula hair, and today I'm reviewing a 4x4 closure unit from them. I believe that this unit is probably about like 24 inches or so, and this unit did come in a straight texture. I did go ahead and crimp the hair, as you guys can see. I just wanted to give it a little bit more character. I didn't want to come on here with a middle part and just, you know, do a basic straight unit. And the last time that I actually did a closure review for Nadula, I did have it straight. So this time I decided to, you know, do something a little bit different and go with a crimped look. So I gave it more like a deep wave kind of vibe to it. I love crimping my hair. Crimping my hair is probably one of my favorite things to do. It's a great way to add a little character to your hair. So the crimping iron that I did use is this really big crimping iron. This crimping iron is sold on tastelevels.com. So if you guys are interested in it, you guys can order this on tastelevels.com. I will have it available for pre-order. I will have them fully in stock within the next week or so. But if you want to pre-order it now, you can pre-order it now. I will leave a link down below for it. But this is the crimping iron that I use. It's really, really big. And the reason why I love using this crimping iron, you're able to crimp a lot of hair in one go because it's so wide and it's hot enough to where it actually goes through the hair. So it's not like, you don't have to worry like, oh, this part is too thick. Now you don't want to put too much hair in here because yeah, it won't crimp the same. But yeah, you can get a lot done with this crimping iron. It's going to be a lot quicker to crimp your hair than with your typical crimping irons because those aren't as big as this one. This one is really, really wide. And it's really long as well. So yeah, I was able to crimp my hair pretty quick actually. It took me maybe about like 30 minutes or so to crimp all of my hair, so I think that's pretty good. So if you're in like a rush to go somewhere, this is obviously the ideal crimping iron that you would want to use. I didn't use any hairspray in my hair, so my crimps will begin to fall. But if you are going to be crimping your hair, you always want to make sure that you actually use hairspray on every strand. Like spray the hairspray up and down and then use your crimping iron, and you'll and your crimps will stay a lot longer. Now this is more of like a soft look, you know, and the more you run your fingers through it, it kind of like takes out the waves. I was thinking about using my wide tooth comb to comb it out, but when I started doing that, it just gave me a different look like here at the bottom, so I just stopped. I didn't want to take it any further up. So this is all of the hair up front. Okay, so this is all the hair. I wouldn't say that this unit is very thick, which is kind of a pro because it didn't take me a long time to crimp my hair, but it is like on the average size as far as density. It's about a 150% density or so, and I will have all the information for this. I will have all the information linked down below for you guys if you guys want to know all the specs on the unit. But yeah, this unit was about 150% density, and this was and this is all the hair up front, so it's not too bad, because I received another unit like not too long ago that for me it just was a little too thin. You know, I really liked the unit, but the unit itself was just very thin, and I really like the unit all in all. So let me give you guys one of the main pros in my opinion about this unit, and that would have to be the lace on this unit. Now the lace in this unit is actually just your typical lace. I don't think it's anything special. I don't think it's HD lace or transparent lace or Swiss lace or anything like that. I think it's just their lace, but it melts really, really well. As you guys probably saw, before I even added the baby hair, I didn't need to add any baby hair. Like, it was perfectly fine, but it just, you know, that's just me. I'm gonna add baby hair no matter what, right? But you don't have to if you don't want to, because the lace melts perfectly. You guys know, usually I use that elastic band to like help melt my unit. I didn't even have to do that with this unit at all. Like, I applied the unit the way I normally do with my Got2b gel, and it was just perfect, one try. So this is an up close look at the lace that I am referring to. This is the parting space as well. And I think for this to be a regular 4x4 closure, it actually has a really deep parting space, which I really like. As you guys can see, the parting space goes way back here. That looks longer than 4 inches to me. And this is, you know, the perimeter. But if I come up close, you guys can see, like, the lace melted so freaking good, like so good, especially for me to not have used anything to help like melt it. You know, I just simply just laid the lace down and cut it off, and voila, it was just perfect. So I do really like the lace on this unit. You don't have to worry about adding baby hairs if you don't want to. And all in all, I really do like this hair. I will straighten this, you know, maybe I can straighten it in another video if you guys want to see like what the unit looks like straight. But Nadula has really good units, especially like their straight units. Like, I always like their units. I've been working with them for a very long time, and I will say that they have held up the integrity of their hair. They have really good quality hair, and I enjoy all of their units. I haven't received any units from Nadula that I didn't like. Like, I'm gonna just say that. I haven't received one yet that was like a miss. And if you ever have any issues with your unit, they communicate very quickly. So I will say I really do enjoy Nadula, and I enjoy this unit. If you guys are interested in picking this unit up, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, go ahead and drop a comment down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Nadula Hair, for sponsoring today's video. And last but not least, I want to thank all of you guys for stopping to watch this video today. I really appreciate all the love and support, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.